Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon sponsored brands and how they work. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're exploring Amazon sponsored brands and how they can elevate your brand visibility and sales on Amazon. Amazon sponsored brands are a dynamic advertising option designed to showcase multiple products under your brand's banner. These ads prominently feature at the top of Amazon search results, grabbing shoppers' attention as they browse. Here's how sponsored brands work. You begin by selecting products from your catalog that you wish to promote. These products will be displayed in your ad alongside your brand logo and a custom headline. This headline is crucial. It captures the essence of your brand or highlights special offers, compelling shoppers to click through. Next, you choose your bidding strategy and set your budget. Amazon offers automatic bidding for hands-off optimization or manual bidding for precise control over your costs. Sponsored brands provide versatile targeting options. You can target based on keywords related to your products or target similar products. This ensures your ads reach the right audience at the right time. One standout feature of sponsored brands is their ability to direct traffic to your Amazon store or a custom landing page. This drives deeper engagement with shoppers, allowing them to explore more of your products and brand story. To gauge your campaign's effectiveness, Amazon provides detailed metrics like impressions, clicks, and sales generated by your ads. Use these insights to refine your strategy and optimize your campaigns for better performance. In essence, Amazon sponsored brands are a powerful tool for boosting brand visibility, driving traffic, and increasing sales on Amazon. Whether you're launching new products, running promotions, or building brand awareness, sponsored brands can help you achieve your advertising goals. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.